Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello, my name is Rahman. I'm a student of grade 10, Ideal Indian School to Qatar. In this video, we are going to do the last question of exercise 1.3. Okay, that is the question number 3. The last sub question, that is sub question number 3. Okay. Now, in this video, this question they are asking us to prove that root 6 plus root 5 is irrational. Okay, now on the contradiction to the fact, let us assume that 6 plus root 5 is rational. Okay, now let us assume that 6 plus root 5 is rational. Okay, then 6 plus root 5 is equals to a by b, where a and b are co-primes. Then we can tell that 6 plus root 5, we can take it is equals to a by b, where a and b are co-primes. Okay, then next part, we can tell root 5 is equals to a by b minus 6. Now a by b minus 6, how did we get minus 6? Here the plus 6, here it was a plus 6, so we transported here, transposed here, and we got minus 6, right? Then for doing the further calculation, I forgot to write this step. One more step is there over here. Let me add it now. Okay. So that is the LCM step. Root 5 is equals to a by b minus 6 by 1 into b into b. Okay. So 6 into b, and that will be minus 6 by b. A minus 6 by b. Okay. Now this is in the form of p by q, right? We can tell that it is in the form of p by q. So it is rational, right? Because p by q form is in rationality. But we know that root 5 is irrational. The root 5 over here is irrational. So this tells that in our contradiction to the fact that root 5 is irrational. Now let's read this. This is a contradiction to the fact that a and b are co-primes. This is a contradiction to our wrong assumption that 6 plus root 5 is rational. Okay, then so we conclude that 6 plus root 5 is irrational. Now this tells that a and b are co-primes, right? First of all, they cannot be equal to the root 5 because they are rational, and root 5 is irrational, so it cannot be written in p by q form, right? So the next step is we had assumed that this is 6 plus root 5 is equals is rational. Right, so that will also be wrong because here we proved that it cannot be rational. So, so we conclude that 6 plus root 5 is irrational. Okay, so this was our last answer. That is the last question. That is the sub-question number 3 of question number 3 from exercise 1.3. Okay, so now we have completed our exercise 1.3. Okay, now we will move to the exercise 1.4 in our next video, inshallah. So till that, thanks for watching. Thank you and Assalamu alaikum.